Right, so I should just do that then. Capital next this thing. Apparently it doesn't work. It's the first time. God. Maybe there was a folder? Lipton check, blah blah blah. I better not. Yeah, there are tests. Okay, we don't want to run those. Now it's working? I did something. Now it's working. Okay. The fuck? Maybe I used the wrong repository or something. That's working. Hooray! Maybe we can do some Haskell today. Maybe. And I feel like we're clawing out of it. And I don't like your compiling HPAC. Why are you doing that? Don't do that. Test. Oh, they passed. Wow. Good test. The song is from the New World. A really good anime. Squealer is nothing wrong, by the way. I can live. Okay. Okay. So, Lumi still around? Point is length. Repeat the code structure. Suddenly reduce the readability of a small piece of code in isolation. Oh, this doesn't reduce the readability. X and you want to go to lists, and then you go over the entry time right, reverse it. And then, like, if this one doesn't work, you go to that one. Okay, we got a building. We got a building. Do we have a GTID? No, because we need to wait for the thing. We need to wait for this. We can try. We can try again. Oh, this is the J. This is not even. There's just got a couple of things we need to build. Leave me over. I'm ill prepared. I didn't expect it to be so hard to just deploy something. What the hell, man? All I did was upgrade, and everything breaks. Yeah, suggest your improvements over build systems, please, in chat. I'll move to HPAC. Really? I don't know. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Again! You love about Potion. It hasn't had a breaking change in 10 years. Most libraries respect that principle. You have to include here. This is actually not, like, this failing is not Haskell code itself. It's people being pedantic around the Haskell code, like Cabal and Nix. They're just being assholes at this point. But what you can do in Cabal files is, like, you can put these constraints on your project to... Oh, not this thing. Put these, like, bounds on where you build with. This shit. And, like, library auditors, some of them are really conservative with this shit. Well, I guess he actually tested that. Really? Okay, he doesn't do it with Servant. Hello, so very sorry. We missed your conversation. Close community hardcore against breaking changes, and they get data projected. In Haskell, I don't think people are too afraid of it. But at least I think the semantic version is quite reasonable. First, at least don't set a problem. And you get a lot of legacy API around. Yes, give me some songs. And maybe I should actually collect the good ones from the depth track I hear later and put them to the playlist as well. That's a good idea, I think. And I can grow over time. I spent a lot of time actually picking out some new songs the other days. In the middle of the night. No life. No life. Let's see. Right, it's doing that weird shit again with this. What the fuck? Generating an output path. So, like, it generates the output path beforehand. But it's expecting the SHA. Why is the SHA different? Why? And I updated it before and it just ignores it. I thought it was overlit. Yeah, this is Nix being a bitch. You can write sword if you want. Or not, and let me get off scot-free. Ha ha ha! Happy wins. I'll write that though. Two times, man. 2 times. That's how far you behind you are. 2 times. Why is it so bloody cute? What's going on? I think at the beginning I tried doing Swarless streams. That's pretty hard. Pretty hard considering how engaging programming is. Emotionally engaging. Especially the unreasonable compilers. Yeah, blame it all on you, compiler. Now it works! Are you working? I have no idea what the fuck's going on. It seems to do stuff. Debate. Composition $like dollar sign. This. For composition. What? The second one? I'm a fervent proponent of dollar, like using dollar signs only for application composition if you actually want to use it as composition. This is a proper composition. And this is proper dollar signs because it's all applied. And this is all one big function. Yeah. I mean, I use it as a reminder for myself if I'm actually applying or... And if I put a dot here, then it's confusing. I'm applying. Although... Dollar signs. Because I know for a fact I can replace a dollar sign with parentheses. But if I would do the other style, then I don't know that. Would I? Would this work? You tell me, chat. Would this work? We'll figure it out the next time of very well see. So did you get this project to work? Well, like, I could build, but I want to deploy. And if I want to deploy, I have to build through Nix instead of Cabal, which is a whole other beast. Actually, there's a fat chance that I need to re-add the orphanage instance. I deleted a couple of weeks ago, because now I'm depending on an older version of Servant, because I just didn't want to build for some reason. Like I know the reason. It invented the existence of a compile flag apparently. Just changing the API of some base library. However, a.b.c is a d equal to a.b.c applied to. Oh, those are different things. Oh, I see. You do it the wrong way around. I always imagine these going around that. But you're doing it the other way around. Man, that's weird. I bet you're like right-handed or something. You get the I get the project work before I write it. Experiments. Also you build partial code 1.3. Also, as in a.b.c by d, you can replace with. Okay. Yeah, nobody ever does that. You wanna just compose everything, right? Don't why would you? What? I guess that's true. But you wouldn't, because it's not really point free. It's applied. Different. Oh my god. Not yet distracted? No! I'm waiting for the compiler! It doesn't count! I'm waiting for the compiler! I can't be distracted. Okay, look at that. Look at that. How? Okay, I'm gonna reach out though. I tend to do dot. I think if I do. And it doesn't have so much to do with the monad. I do return. What? Oh, like around it. Okay. It's like a bigger function. I imagine that that's a bigger meaning of separator. I saw your tweet. Oh, good. People are looking at my Twitter. What did I write on it anyway? Oh, it's hell. Welcome to hell, boys and girls. Welcome to hell. This is hell. This is hell. I'll explain hell to you. We say that the SHA of Time Combat is this. This actually. This is not a SHA, this is a revision. This is a completely different thing, okay? Completely different. This is a SHA. You can also see it's longer. It makes it a SHA. But then the Nyx will invent another SHA for you. Wait, what? It's using 2 or something. What the fuck is going on? It's alternating. Replace the SHA with that. And then again the error from that I'm expecting this one. And I replace it with this one, and I get the error that's expecting that one. Can't have them both. Not being distracted on stream. No, that was the tweet when we worked on HyperNet. And I had like in the title, oh, we're doing Raster.click, not being distracted. And then we, like the entire stream, we worked on HyperNet. That was the stream. Time of no distraction ends here. Time of no distraction ends here. We've entered the era of Skybro. Well, there's enough time for a distraction because, as you can see, I'm in hell. So, what are you expecting from me? Instead of the expected hash, you expected it SHA hash blah instead of the expected hash blah. You want to have that one? Okay, we'll give you that one. And now, I'm telling you, it's gonna ask you for the other one. It's gonna reverse the roles. It's gonna say, I'm expecting this one instead of that. Is what it's gonna do. Because it hates me. It hates me. It hates us. Did you even send it over? Packages. Yeah, we have the thing. Okay. I'm biased, but closure syntax will be. Okay. You have composition. Oh, right. That's the composition operator in Haskell. Being doing. With Hologen, by the way. Do you, is it doable? I'm really enjoying it because it's like Haskell. Well, it's Trick, right? Not like Haskell at all. It's Trick semantic. It's ridiculous. It's like calling Elm like Haskell. It's because it kind of looks like it. It's totally different. Nyx is like Haskell. This stuff is like Haskell. This is lazy. Yeah, this is a built system that's lazy. You don't see many of those, but it is there. Good for pure scripts. It's like, yeah, it's for web, right? Web. I tried using that before. I couldn't get it to work. In any case, FP Scala, you need something like Egress to prove that. Yes. Is it flipping in? Are you flipping? It is! No, it's a different hash. Why do you keep changing your hashes? What the fuck is going on? I'm too new. Need to do more in FOSS. Now you heard for you heard for someone else. Yeah, like that's what it does, the Markov chain, right? It looks for a relationship. Like if things it like cuts it up in pieces and then looks for a relationship with each other. Apparently FP has been used before and Idris also. And then like makes a relationship. It's a really crappy explanation of Markov chains, but there you have it. Probabilistic graph traversal. That's a Markov chain. So at every node you have a probability of going over path X, Y, and Z. With a probability from 0 to 1 that sums up to 1 for every path. No, all the paths combined sum up to 1. And then, you know, and switch over those things. I'm not sure how to do it in Java. Every gradable speed of shit. Change my mind is change my mind. Don't change your mind. I have horror stories from Gradable. Trying anything non-standard is hard. So we have some. We have a source file that actually changes. Changes over time. Every hash I put in is like counted to the hash. Hold 0 blah blah blah. And put in that and it changes again. This can't be right. Pago? What is Pago? No, have not tried. Haven't tried. Alright, this is a good one. I'm gonna try the hackage build then instead. We learned a new trick today. We learned a new trick. We can do. Oh, what trick? Well, it's all Nix bullshit, so you wouldn't be too happy to learn about it, because you know it's Nix. Fucking Nix. We can pull stuff from hackers as well. I've been pulling everything from GitHub, but apparently that's that. No, don't do that. Where is it? So I've been using like that thing that changes shards based on builds. We could also just delete a shard. That would work. Actually, this might be easier. Those systems are a mess. You're looking at a mess right now. Well, this is upgrade hell. I'm not sure if it's relatable. We'll just use this. And you would say like, oh, why don't you use call hackage everywhere instead of call package? Well, I just learned about call hackage. It actually seems really nice way of doing this kind of stuff. Because it solves so much shit. Like, it saves a bunch of boilerplate basically. Boilerplate generated by machines. And apparently not even capable of doing anything. This will give us a version. Wait, we'll build first and then I'm gonna read. Oh. Alright. Spago. Bullets are a mess. At least Grados is honest about it. What the fuck? I just read this part. Try to do Android development on Nixos and Gradle is failing and I don't understand why it got complicated. Zero. Why didn't you do the Docker shit? I showed it to you, right? I even sent you the spells. Probably because of Nix. This is not better on Nix. No, I got Nix to work. You have a project that works with Nix. My game works. I got it to work on Nixos. Even with graphics and whatever.